Gary's working on firing off the 7X. Got Gary Taylor, good friend of mine, longtime friend. I've known him since I was like 10 or 12 years old. Oh yeah, out here testing the MF1. We got our spare car we're taking out to California, 7X. So, trying to get some engine heat in it right now. Oh yeah, look at them two girls. And we are at Putnamville Speedway, the famous Lincoln Park Speedway, home of one of Kyle Larson's favorite tracks. Oh yeah, check this place out, it's ready to rip. So, we're working on getting things ready here. New car means new steering wheel. Oh yeah, you're getting love. You're getting some love, so go check out Superior Steering Wheels. Making dreams come true. I have always wanted to do something different because I'm different. Check out this thing. All packaged really nice. This is actually my design wheel, the X Racer steering wheel. And if you didn't know, these guys actually have like a lifetime warranty on it, which is crazy. So if you bend it, break it, bust it, they'll send it back to them and they'll fix it for you. They do custom steering wheels. That's why all my steering wheels look different. So if you call down there, you can have your paint scheme, your color scheme, your baseball team scheme, even an X Racer designed by T-Mez, built by Superior Steering Wheel. Go get you one of these. We're gonna have this thing on the car. I gotta get back to work though, because check this out. Big old girl for the sprint car. Wow, look at how awesome this custom sprint car wheel is for the 23. I mean, is that not sweet? These guys, like I said, build custom steering wheels. This is one of my first steering wheels. I've had this thing seriously for 5 years. Okay.
How you doing, Thomas?
How's it going?
Good, man.
Good.
This will be interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, first shakedown on a new car.
That's awesome, man.
So what, just roll a couple laps and let it rip?
Let's do 10 laps.
Okay.
Let's do 10 laps and see how, I mean, we got
10
6
laps.
hours fuel in it.
Okay.
Get good. You'll get a good, just
All right. Maiden voyage with the X steering wheel, with the MF1. The track's pretty decent.
how's she feel, dog?
Dude, this thing is so right roof and tight, you can't even barely slip it in. Like, dude, I get it turned, which is great.
Huh.
Yeah, like for as loose as the track conditions are, I mean, this thing just goes in. It don't really. First run, it felt great.
Yeah, for no mud flying, you look
Ripped up. I mean, this thing was like, oh,
Off the brake.
loud and proud.
Oh, I got that last lap. Wait till you see that clip.
So we're just running the 7X back to back with the MF1 to see how this thing feels in comparison. The brake, something happened.
No brakies?
The pads fell out or something. And the east.
No, the pads are in it.
Well, something popped.
Something popped?
Yeah, I mean, there was absolute. All I was just pushing out fluid.
Well, there's fluid somewhere all over the side of the car.
Yeah. Oh, first laps on the car, and it was really good. Lost brakes on the 7X, but so Chuck's working on that. It's tough when you're practicing because you know the track isn't really that great, but we're changing a gear, changing a bar just to try to see what it does. You know, see if it likes it. Hey, as always, thanks for watching T-Minutes TV. Love the support. I got a bunch of good videos coming out. Don't forget to go like and subscribe. And leave a comment down below and what you think of open wheel racing, maybe. I don't know. How's it going, Chuck?
I'm tied in and sealed off.
Sweet. That's good.
I just gotta do this.
I turned it in to run the bottom down there the first time and like went in thinking it was gonna slide out 10 feet and was like, oh shit, this thing was, it isn't like, it didn't slide across the track at all. I was pretty fucking impressed.
Products has all you need to get RC cars dialed in with Hyperglide ceramic bearings and other high-performance products for the competitive RC racer.
Thanks to Joe Spiker. He does a really nice job on this racetrack, and you know, it's like $600 to come test down here for the day. About to shake down the car some more. Everything's going really good here. You can see it's starting to cool off, so I got my beanie on, but how about this thing? Oh, it looks so good. So good. while, it's kind of nice to have Gary here so that I don't have to be in the car the whole time, getting his opinion on, you know, how the two cars are running. And, you know, just kind of, like I said, it's tough when you're testing to get good feedback. So using Gary to help us get some good feedback. He's going to go shake down the 7X. You got it. Get the right rear one and we're good to go. All right, test number 4, I think.
Go right ahead. Go right ahead. No, you're all right.
No, I was just gonna push it out of the way for me.
That is a wrap on the day. We got our cars tested. Everything ran amazing. Compared the two cars, the new car was, you know, at least 3/10 faster than the 7X, which that is amazing. Hey, as always, thanks for watching Team Ez TV. Don't forget to go like and subscribe. Go check out Shop Team Ez. If you're interested in some merch, go check out my sponsors: Witt's RC Racing Products, CSI Shocks, MSP Mounts, Engler. Go check out Engler if you need your stuff dynoed. Engler's your guy to dyno it. And hey, as always, thanks for watching. I'm out. So after the BC, Dave told me he had the big rig sold and was only going to take one car to California. We were working on this new car. John had built the frame. And when they decided not to go, the Ford program went with me. Dave and RMS was nice enough to give us the 7X to continue the year out. I can't thank those guys enough. They've been amazing to me. But all good things must come to an end. When one door shuts, another one opens.